Jishnu, are you there? Pritya, will do one thing since you're the only person there. Okay. Instead of discussing the whole paper, right? Pritya, am I audible? Instead of discussing the whole paper, like you got your answer sheet back, right?
Yes, sir.
No. So can you tell me the questions where you have doubt?
Yes, sir. Just a minute. I'm opening it, sir. So in section A, the third question, I was kind of confused on how to do it, sir.
Section A, third question.
Yes, sir.
This one.
This one, sir.
Okay.
So
So in
I
AP,
didn't.
AM is equal to 1 by M. Okay, simple. See, whenever you talk about AB, right, the first term is A and the common difference is D. So AM is equal to A plus M minus 1 into D. Right? AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. So AM is 1 by N. So A plus M minus 1 into D is 1 by N. A plus N minus 1 into D is 1 by M. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So you have two linear equations. Separate. So separate both and see.
But it has 4 variables.
So when you subtract both, you will have minus N into D is equal to 1 by N by M. Correct? Because A and A will get cancelled. So this will be M minus N divided by Mn. So M minus N and M minus N will get cancelled, which implies D is equal to 1 by Mn. Am I right, Jishnu?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, I'll take this 1 by Mn and substitute it in any one of the equations. So A plus M minus 1 into 1 by Mn is equal to 1 by N. So A plus 1 by N minus 1 by Mn is equal to 1 by N. This and this will get cancelled. So A will also be 1 by Mn. Understood? Ritya, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 1 by Mn and D is also 1 by Mn. Then what is AMN? A plus Mn minus 1 into D. Correct, Amma? So A is 1 by Mn plus Mn minus 1 into 1 by Mn. 1 by Mn plus 1 minus 1 by mn. Cancel this and this, answer will be 1. Is there an option? This will be the answer.
Okay,
Got it?
sir. Yes, sir.
So what was actually confusing you? So I just want to know so that I concentrate on that part and tell you.
No, sir. AP in itself is a little confusing for me. So I just need a little more practice on this chapter.
Okay, AP is slightly bothering you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So work out and reach out.
Okay, sir.
Next. So just check your papers. If you have got the answer right, forget it. So wherever you had a problem, let me know so that we'll discuss those questions. Yeah. Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Next, which question you want me to do?
So this one, sir, in section D33, again it's AP.
Section D, 33rd. So in
yes,
the
sir.
order, if I go right, till there you didn't lose any marks for any other question?
I don't think so, sir. My answer sheet is opening, but the PDF, the corrected PDF, it isn't opening, sir. I'll just check it out. But 33rd, I remember I couldn't solve it, sir. I left it.
33rd. Okay, let me check.
Yes, this one, sir.
Find the middle term of the sequence formed by all 3-digit numbers which leave a remainder 3 when divided by 4. Also, find the sum of the numbers on both sides of the middle term. So how will you even approach?
That's the problem, so I didn't know how to approach.
Let's try now. No, we are discussing.
Yes, sir.
So they're saying there are 3-digit numbers, right? Find the middle term of the sequence formed by all 3-digit numbers which have a remainder, which leave a remainder 3 when divided with 4. So what is the first 3-digit number which leaves a remainder 3 when divided with 4? So the first 3-digit number that we have is 100. When I divide 100 with 4, what do I get? I get 25 as the quotient and the remainder is 0. So if I want this remainder to be 3, what should this number be?
103.
That's it. So that is the first number. Since you got the first number, the common difference is going to be 4. 103, 107, 111. Like this, it keeps on going. And what would be the last digit? So the first 4-digit number is 1000. If I divide it with 1000, I get 250. 250, comma 0. If I need to get a remainder 3, I need to subtract 1 from it. So I'll get 999. Why I'm subtracting 1 is because what would have been the previous 3-digit number which is divisible exactly by 4? 996. That would have given you 24. So to this 996, I need to add a 3. So that is 999. So the last 3-digit number would have been 999. Ritya, am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you form the sequence. Find the middle term of the sequence. How do I find the middle term? So for me to find the middle term is basically I've written the numbers in the ascending order. It is a combination of arithmetic progression and statistics. Middle term according to statistics is median. Correct? So if I need to find how many terms are there in my sequence. So how many terms are there in my sequence?
You have to apply the formula.
Yes. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Can you do it for me? 999 is equal to a is 103 plus n minus 1 into d is 4. So 999, can you solve this and tell me what is the nth term?
Yes, sir. Just an answer.
Yeah, yeah.
Two 23, sir.
223 or 225 ada check one.
225, sir.
Yes, sir. I
So
got two.
you will get 225, means you have odd number of terms in the sequence. For odd number of terms in the sequence, according to the median concept, what would be the middle term? Middle term will be n plus 1 by 2th term. That is 226 by 2th term, which is 113th term. So what is the 113th term? A113 is equal to a plus 112d. A is 103 plus 112 into 4. So 103 plus 112 into 4 is how much? 448. So 448 plus 103 will give you 541. So the middle term 541 or 51. So the middle term in this sequence is going to be 551. Is it clear? Also find sum of all numbers on both sides of the middle term. So sum of the numbers on the left side of the middle term, sum of the numbers on the right side of the middle term. So 113th term is the middle term, that is 551. What would have been the number before that? 547. What would have been the number after that? 555. Right. So I need to find the sum of the numbers on the left of the middle term. So starting from 103 to this, so how much will be the sum? Sn will be equal to, which term is this, guys? 112th term. It will be n by 2 into a plus l. 112 by 2 is 56 into a is 103 plus l is 547. Correct? If you multiply these two, you should get the answer as 36400. This is the sum of the numbers on the left. Similarly, if I take the sum of the numbers on the right, what will I get? So for the sum of the numbers on the right, can I write it is equal to sum of all n terms minus sum of the first 113 terms?
Yes, sir.
So n by 2 into a plus l plus n by 2 into a plus l, or n dash. So what is n here? It is 225 by 2 into a is 103 plus l is 999 plus this n dash by 2 is 113 by 2 into A, that is 103 plus L is 551. You solve this. Oh, minus, no, sorry. Okay, you solve this, you will get the answer as 87024. This is a slightly higher order thinking only. Okay, but this is a very good problem.
Sir.
Got it? Huh?
Yes, I've understood it now.
Next. Are there any other problems? Okay. Vishnu, then you have to take this paper as assignment and do it.
Okay, sir.
Tanishka, we are discussing only the doubts question. I'm not discussing the whole paper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if you have any questions, let me know.
So can you do 35th question, sir?
35th. The angles of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of a tower from the top of a building 60 meters high. So there is a building, there is a tower. The angle of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of a tower. The top and bottom of a tower are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. So if I take this to be H, this is capital H. And if I take this to be X. So building is 60 meter higher. Did you understand the diagram?
Yes, sir.
So if I take the height of the tower to be H, this will be H minus 60, this will be 60. This is also X. So what is 60 divided by X? 60 divided by X is tan 60, that is root 3, which implies X is equal to 60 by root 3. That is 20 root 3. So X we got it as 20 root 3. Similarly, H minus 60 by 20 root 3 is equal to tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. So root 3 and root 3 are gone. H minus 60 is 20, so H will be 80. So the difference in the towers is, the difference in the heights is 20.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any other question?
Sir, 29th. Can you solve it?
So dent is a form of a cylinder of diameter 20 and height is 2.5, surmounted by a cone of equal base and a height of 7.5 meter. Find the capacity of the tent, that is the volume of it. So how much is going to be the volume? Volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of cone is pi r square capital H, for instance. Okay, here I'll take it as capital H, here in small h. So if I take out pi r square outside, I'll have capital H by 3 plus small h. 22 by 7 into r square is 20 into 20. Oh, D is
10 into
diameter
10.
10 into 10 into h by 3. So 7.5 by 3 is 2.5 plus small h is also 2.5. So this comes out to be 5. Right. So it is going to be 22 by 7 into 500. So 11000 divided by 7 centimeter cube should be the answer.
Okay, sir.
They asked something else also, no? And the cost of the canvas at 1000 per square meter. Now I need to calculate the area. So area is equal to how much? Area is equal to 2 pi RH plus
IRM.
pi RL. So pi R into 2H plus L. 22 by 7 into R is how much? 10 into 2H is 5 plus L is how much? This is 10. This 15 by 2. So it will be root of 15 by 2, the 15 by 2 the whole square plus 10 square.
It will be 12.5, sir. The slant
12.5.
height.
Okay, 12.5. So 22 into 10 is 220, or I can do it like this. 22 into 17.5 into 10 is 175 divided by 7. So this will cancel this how many times? 25 times. So 25 into 22 is how much? Or 50 into 11, you will get 550. You will get 550 meters square. So 550 meters square into 100 will give you the cost. Which problem is that? 29th. 550 into 100, 55,000 rupees. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So just check your papers fast. Tell me the place where you have lost marks. We'll work only on them.
Sir, I've checked and I've only received the science part 3 test paper, sir. Not the maths one.
What about you, Tanishka?
I received my max one also, sir. I have it with me.
You received? I'll check 1 minute. I've informed the team, they'll send it to you.
Yes, sir, because below that there's a performance analysis, and in there it is said that my part test 3 paper has not been submitted.
Okay, then 1 minute. Let me check in the app. You wrote, you came to the institute or you wrote it from home?
No, sir, I wrote it from home, sir.
1
I
minute.
submitted it on that day itself, sir. On the
Part
12th,
three,
on the 22nd of December.
22nd. Oh, then why didn't you inform them? It has been 2 weeks, no. Your paper is there here.
Yes, sir, I tried to resubmit, but I don't think it worked.
No. See, you got the performance report also saying that you are not there. No, did you inform the team is what I'm saying? Did you inform
No,
them
sir.
that? No, had you informed, they would have checked it and sorted it out. No.
Yes,
And
sir.
the problem is it is showing us late because you uploaded at 11:20 p.m. Generally, what they do is after the test is over, they download the paper and send it for corrections.
Oh, okay, sir.
Oh,
I couldn't start it at 5:30 because I reached
So
home
that's
very
fine.
late.
It's okay. If it is late, it is fine. But at least you have the numbers. You should keep them informed. It's showing here. You submitted around 11:20 p.m. Right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it got missed.
Okay, sir.
Next
Inform
time,
them,
if
sir.
it gets missed, just keep them informed. They'll sort it out.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You don't know no, where you made mistakes.
Yes, sir.
So can you explain third one, sir?
Third, I solved just now. Before you came only, I solved. I'll show you. So I took the first term as A and the second, and the common difference as D. AM is A plus M minus 1 into DR. AN is A plus N minus 1 into DR. So AM is given as 1 by N. So A plus M minus 1 into D is 1 by N. A plus N minus 1 into D is 1 by M. So these are two linear equations in two variables. So when I subtract both, I got M minus N into D is equal to 1 by N minus 1 by M. Seriya? So when you solve this, we get D is equal to 1 by M. Okay. After you get D is equal to 1 by M, take this D and substitute it in either of these equations. I substituted the first one. When I substituted and solved for it, I got A also as 1 by M. Sorry, 1 by Mn. Once I got both, I am finding what is AMN. AMN will be A plus Mn minus 1 into D. A is 1 by Mn plus Mn minus 1 into D is 1 by Mn. So multiply this 1 by Mn with each term. So when I expand it, I'll get 1 by Mn from here. Mn into 1 by Mn is 1. Minus 1 into 1 by Mn is 1 by Mn. 1 by Mn and 1 by Mn will get cancelled. You'll be left out with 1. That is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Puridama.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other question?
So case-based 37th one. Can you do the first and second subdivision?
(37th). What is the distance between the two ships if the height of the lighthouse is 42 meters? There is a lighthouse, it's a ship and a motorboat are moving toward the lighthouse. The angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse are 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively, as shown in the figure below. What is the distance between the two ships if the height of the lighthouse is 42? Okay. See, simple, no? If I take this triangle, if I take this to be x and this to be y, for instance, okay, what is 42 divided by x? Tan 60,
Yes, sir.
upper root 3. So x is equal to 42 divided by root 3. So I'll get 14 root 3. Rationalize it. I'll get 42 by 3 into root 3. Adhe mari, if I take the bigger triangle, 42 divided by y is how much? 1 by root 3. Upper y will be 42 root 3. So what is the distance between them? Y minus x. Y minus x implies 42 root 3 minus 14 root 3. Our answer in our will be 28 root 3.
Okay, sir.
Got it? So can you try the second one now?
Yes, sir.
Can you just try and tell me how you're thinking? Did you get the answer?
Sir, is it 1 minute?
Let me check when I don't know. 37th, am I there?
Yes, sir.
1 minute is the correct answer.
Okay,
If the
sir.
height of the lighthouse is 50 root 3, find the time taken by the ship to reach the base of the lighthouse if the speed is 150 meter. So this is 40. If I take this to be y, 50 root 3 divided by y is equal to tan 30 1 by root 3. அப்போ y வந்து 150 ஆயிடும். So it is 150 kilometer. 150 kilometer a meter. So 150 meter, it is traveling at 150 meter per minute. It will take 1 minute to come. Time is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to distance by speed. Correct. These two are doubt, right, for you, Tanishka?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So did you make a mistake in the exam? Vidula?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now I hope you understood. Other three were right, huh? Moonu, you got it right?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Yeah. So anywhere else you went wrong? What was your score? Let me check here. 1 minute. Just 3, huh? Wait, where did you lose 12? 11.5 marks. All those questions you got clarified?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Where is other Tritya? Any other questions? Just you told you didn't write it, so you have to try the paper again. So do you guys have any other questions? So Tritya, AP is a problem for you, right?
Yes, sir, a little bit. Sir.
We'll have a session on that. Don't worry. I'll arrange a separate session.
Okay, sir.
Did we do AP? Like how we did chapter wise, did we do problems based on arithmetic progression? I'll check and get back. Anyways, if it is happened or not, that's secondary. I'll arrange a separate session for it.
Okay, sir.
So if there are no more questions, can we wind up?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Jishnu, you have any questions? Okay, guys, we'll wind up. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
See you. Bye. Bye.